Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here. So guess what? Today I'm not going to show you one, but I'm going to show you three different buildings in Marshalltown. The first one is the Stuttafords house, the second one is the 53 on Main, and the third one will be the Mapungubwe Hotel and Apartments. Again guys, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind.
Stuttafords building, heritage building. Also look at another thing guys, the McDonald's. Okay, for location, this is the game head office and that's the Receipt Street Post Office. And Michelle's building is here, the Barbican. Free unlimited Wi-Fi. You guys can see already that they did huge. This is an heritage building, guys. By the way, introduce yourself, Sam. Who are you?
I'm Sam.
And you are what? The building manager?
Yes.
For EFCO. Perfect. Nice to meet you, man. So you'll take us around the building, guys.
No problem.
There you go, guys. This is beautiful what they did here, eh? Nice waiting area here. For the 7 floors, you guys can see brand new elevators. You guys can see the evacuation plans.
I don't have empty units now.
Okay, so this is literally the this is a good part when we look down. Okay guys, this is where the laundry gets dried. Literally what we're gonna do, we're going from top down. Let me just show you guys very quickly. The washing room. There you go, fully equipped. There you go. Sam, you have been doing a great job maintaining the building. Well done. Building looks really good.
Thank you.
There you go. Okay guys, so the building has 188 different apartments and they start with a renting price of 3,500 rand. Oh wow, this is the first floor.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Let me just go around and see this. This is Can you see the light posts? So they didn't take them down, they adapted to the building actually. Gives a layer of extra support. You guys can see where we are. This building is beautiful. A lot of work being done in the CBD. Very interesting, eh? Okay guys, so this is one of the houses, so you guys can have an idea how they look like. If you move in, straightforward, very nice. And also the bathroom. Yep. And there's a bathtub. Straightforward. A very nice place in town. Really cool. I love this beautiful detail that they have done here with these photos.
Awupinde futhi ubuye.
We're gonna see this building here, guys, behind us, because it looks very affordable, so I want to find out about what's going on. Okay, so they say some modern apartments from 2,600 per month. Okay, to give you guys an idea, the entrance is not here. The entrance is there on the side. Can you guys see that door? Yeah, that's where it is. Alright, so that's the entrance. Renting from, let me see, 2,750 rent per month, okay? So I literally didn't say that I was coming, so you guys come here and you just click here and someone will come to open for you. This is how it looks, the beautiful foyer of the building. That's where we see everything in the building. Okay, so this is the laundry. So this is like an heritage building. Look at this, fantastic. 3.850, 3,850 rent, guys. Very nice. Back up and go. Very nice with the. Okay, cool. Oh, interesting. They got also this type of doors here. Very nice. Wait, there you go. I love the shop, must say. Here you go. Spacious, silent, good to go. Okay, so this is the working space. Straightforward. And also unlimited internet, right? Oh, wow. Okay, you guys can see this is brand new elevators. So this is literally, here you go, on the 7th floors. Okay, we're gonna see now this is next to the towers of Maine. The beautiful staircases, eh? Stunning. Okay, let's see the rooftop. Oh, wow. Hello. It's the rooftop, guys. We were at that rooftop in one of our videos, so that is Redcon's head office. This is beautiful. Just go here and see. Oh, wow. Beautiful Marshalltown, guys. Beautiful Marshalltown right here. This is Panyas's new office. You guys see where we are? Fantastic. Oh, wow. Very nice. This is all the halls inside of the building look like. Very nice, very clean. Okay, we're done. Here we go. Oh, see, push. Thanks, man. Okay, guys, we opened. Oi, thank you so much. Go for it. Not a problem. Guys, we are done with another building here in the city. Let me know what you think. Just wanted to make sure that the prices made sense, right? Okay, guys, so this video is quite short, so I'm gonna give you guys another building that's also very interesting. So let me show you. So the building that we just show you is this one, right? The next one that I'm gonna show you, it's an apartment, which is that one there. Yo, look at the stunner. And look at these details on the building. Can you see that? Looks like some vault doors. Really cool. So look at this. Oh, wow. Really cool. And guess what, guys? Seems like that. Can you see here? It's actually a restaurant. Let me find out. So this is also the Mapungubwe Hotel apartments. Interesting. This is the other side of the building. You guys can see it's literally next to Panyas's head office. So there you go. Mapungubwe Hotel apartments. So this is actually the entrance to the restaurant. It's gonna be the place where all the politicians will come now to eat. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Look at this place. Oh, wow. Hey. How are you, man? Oh wow, you see the potential of the CBD, guys. This is stunning. How are you? Sure, this place is a stunner. I need to come here to eat. They even have their own DJ table. Fantastic. This place is unbelievable. I wasn't expecting myself to find this. I'll show you guys also this. Look at this. Really cool, eh? This can become a hot spot here in the CBD, guys. Really. A fantastic restaurant. I just wish to see more of these type of investments coming to our city. How beautiful is this? I didn't even know this existed. Okay, so now we are at the Mapungubwe Hotel and Apartments. An interesting place. Stunning, eh? So, yo, look at this. This is stunning.
It is beautiful. It is beautiful.
I love what they did here with the... So this is literally an hotel, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see now the...
Cool deck.
Let's see the pool deck. Fantastic. Okay guys, so they also have the Jojo tanks, so they are completely...
What's a backup?
Okay, good.
There's a generator also.
And generator also. There you go. So this is the laundry room. It's an hotel. So it's around 700,000. This beautiful apartment, which is actually a duplex. Show you outside.
But we're getting better.
Thank you. Or now we're going up. I wasn't expecting to see this, eh? Very nice. Here you go. So guys, quickly the bathroom. I just put the lights on. Where's it? Okay. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
You guys can see a beautiful shower. There you go, straightforward. Okay, so guys have another view. Oh well.
The number, right? Yeah. This long number is 16 digits.
So the walls look like. Now at the end of the corridor, guys.
Now today is the day. Yeah, today is the day.
That's interesting. Ah, that one belongs to that apartment, so it's not something that you will have access to. There's also this bottom one. Very nice. And there you go, guys. It's done. Make sure you share, subscribe, and destroy that like button, and I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.